What's up, YouTube? Thought I'd bring you another video. Getting a little tired of my stock Fender, so give you a little video on a DIY elimination. YouTube is a numbers game, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Go ahead and leave a comment. Tell me if you found this video useful. Quick DIY. I just bought a cheap ass Dremel. Haven't even used it yet, not sure how, but I'll figure it out. Got assistance with the beer and my dog. Let's get into it. Starting off, it looks like I have to remove the 2 bolts on each side to get the rear rack off. Let's start with that. On both sides, the bolts hidden behind the plastic. Gotta take it off. You're making progress. Got the 2 side panels off. Oh. Looking naked. Just wait. Now that I have it all exposed, I have no idea what I'm doing. Right here I see a little bolt. Now let's take that off. Take off the buckle on one side. Remove the bolt from both sides. You lift it up, and then you have 1, 4. So I'm gonna finish removing those, and hopefully this shit will come off. After you remove the 2 bolts from both sides, take off the leather strap, and the seat just lifts. It's kind of floating. Pull it back, just like the plastics, and boom, removes the seat. Nice and easy. All exposed. With it all exposed, I'm guessing it's these 2 bolts, maybe these 2. It's nice, all the bolts have been 12mm and 10mm since. Okay. I put this GoPro down and play with it. I'm right back. With all the bolts removed, it's getting ready, so I'm gonna caress it and pull it off right here. Or not caress it and just let it fall off. Making progress. After the inner piece fell off, you come up, and the only thing holding it on is the wires. I'm gonna go ahead and undo the wire harness. We have 1, we have 2, and then 3 and 4. And that should do the blinkers, the brake light, and the license plate light. Boom, finally. And she's naked. Okay, with the fender off, finally, I'm gonna take off the rear. I'm gonna take off the brake light. So you just unscrew right here, and on the opposite side, it should pop right out. From there, take the bracket off, and it will remove the license plate light. I'm gonna cut it. It's right underneath here. Attach that light to that light, and learn as I go. Let's see. license plate light, brake light with the blinkers. So I'm gonna cut it right underneath these bolts. My first time using a Dremel. Alright, here goes nothing. Yeah, buddy, finally. All right, let's clean this up and got the brake light installed. With all these wires exposed, I'm going to attach the back end. Got this side lined up, this one with these, so I think that will help with the undercarriage just a little bit. I'm going to bolt it back up and trim it down. So there's the housing. The license plate light is floating. I'm going to Velcro it, or even use a GoPro mount and attach it right here. I left some extra so I could attach the license plate. I'm still gonna figure that out. Use some L brackets. Got it all chopped up and pretty much in place. Oh, got it all finished. Went to the store, picked up some L brackets. All I did was loosen the license plate bracket and slide them in, and then screwed them into the plastic that I saved. Looking clean. All finished. Finally. Freaking way better, man. I ended up mounting the license plate light to the brake light with just some 3M double-sided tape that you could get from a GoPro mount. It's not going anywhere. Nice. I think it looks super clean. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Leave me a comment if you found this video useful. I'm not thirsty, but a beer sounds good. If you'd like to support me, I'll leave a link in the description. Either way, hope you enjoyed. Ride safe. Peace.